Hi everyone. Uh, in today's video, we are going to discuss some problems from the exercise and from the chapter Modern Periodic Table. We completed the topic from Modern Periodic Table in online classes and in also in offline classes. And the topic we covered, and we are going to discuss these examples from the exercise which we have covered in the online and offline classes. So, it is the modern periodic table. On the screen, the modern periodic table is shown. We studied the structure of modern periodic table, and now we discuss some MCQs from the exercise. So, first MCQ is it is the B number MCQ. In modern periodic table, the period number indicates the four options are given: atomic number, atomic mass, principal quantum number, and finally azimuthal quantum number. We studied in the during the electronic configuration across the period. We studied the modern periodic table contain total 7 periods, and these are numbered from 1 to 7. So the period number indicates, we studied that the period number is nothing but the principal quantum number. Period number is when we write the electronic configuration in the form of uh, see the example, that is a hydrogen having atomic number 1, and we write the electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1 according to the Bau's principle. So 1 is nothing but the principal quantum number. When we write down the general electronic configuration like ns2 ns1, this n is nothing but the principal quantum number, and we studied that the period number is nothing but the principal quantum number. So C number MCQ is C number option is correct. So now next, C number MCQ, the lanthanides are placed in the periodic table at four options are given: left hand side, right hand side, middle, and the bottom. So during the when we study the structure of modern periodic table and the various blocks from the modern periodic table, we know that the lanthanides and actinides are placed in a particular group and in a particular period. In period number 6 and in period number 6 and group number 3, the box shown lanthanides, and the lanthanide contain total series of the 14 elements, and actinide also contain the series of 14 elements, and the one block in one block we cannot or all the elements cannot be shown in the one box. So lanthanide and actinide series are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. So last option, that is D number, that bottom is correct option. Now next MCQ, D number. If the valence shell electronic configuration is NS to NP5, the element will belong to. Four options are given: alkali metal, halogens, alkaline earth metal, and actinides. When we study the electronic configuration across the groups, we study the general electronic configuration of group number 1, group number 2, group number 3, and from 13 to 15, 13 to 18. So from the valence shell electronic configuration, we can easily decide or group in which the element is present. Here the electronic configuration is NS to NP5, means last or valence shell electron contain total 5 plus 2 7 electrons, and the 7 electron and the element having 7 electron in the valence shell, these are the halogens. So the correct answer is B number option, that is halogens. Now next is E number MCQ. In which group of the element in which group of elements of the modern periodic table are halogens placed? Hello, as we know that during the study of structure of modern periodic table or groups periods, the we know that the halogens are placed in the 17th group of the periodic table. So A number option is correct. Now next, that is F number MCQ. Which of the atomic number represent the S block? We know that which of the atomic number represent the yes block. Here four options are given: 7, 15, 3, 12, 6, 14, 9 and 17. A number MCQ. 7. 7 is the atomic number of nitrogen, and we know that nitrogen is placed in the p block elements. P block. Then see second number, that is 3 and 12. We know that 3 is the atomic number of lithium, and 12 is the atomic number of magnesium. Lithium is placed in the first group and magnesium is placed in the second group. So option number B is correct. And C and D contain option contains 6. 6 is the atomic number of carbon, and 9 is the atomic number of fluorine, and we know that these elements are placed in the p block. So option number B is correct. Now next MCQ: which of the following pair is not isoelectronic? We studied the isoelectronic in the before videos. What is the isoelectronic? The species having same number of electrons is the isoelectronic species. And we have to answer which of the following pair is not isoelectronic, means which pair contain different number of electrons. A number MCQ: Na positive and Na positive ion and Na sodium atom. Do we know that Na positive means one electron is less than the sodium atom. So Na positive contain 10 electrons and sodium atom contain 11 electrons, means A number MCQ is correct. Means A number MCQ contain or pair is not isoelectronic. Na positive ion and Na sodium atom is not isoelectronic species. When we observe the other three examples or other three options, they all the three contain same number of electrons, so they are the isoelectronic. And A number MCQ is not isoelectronic, so option A is correct. So now see next problem or next question, that is question number 5. Answer the following questions, and from the question number 5th we discuss the A number question, that is the electronic configuration of some elements are given below. Here the electronic configuration of two elements are given. A, that is 1s2, and B 1s2 2s2 2p6. Two elements electronic configuration is given, and we have to identify in which group and period of the periodic table they are placed. From the principal quantum number we decide easily. Principal quantum number is nothing but the period number is nothing but the principal quantum number. So from the principal quantum number we easily decide the period of the element, and from the valence shell electronic configuration we easily decide the group of the periodic from the periodic table. So first, that is A number 1s2. From the 1 is the principal quantum number. So 1s2 is 2 is the atomic number of helium, and as the principal quantum number is 1, this element is placed in the group period number first from the principal quantum number. And as it contains 2, atomic number 2, atomic number of 2, atomic number 2 is of the helium atom, and helium is placed, we know that helium is the inert gas and is placed in the 18th group of the periodic table, and the first element from the 18th group. So 1s2 is the electronic configuration of helium and is placed in the first period and 18th group of the periodic table. Now next, that is B number 1s2 2s2 2p6. 1s2 2s2 2p6 from the principal quantum number of valence shell, that is 2. So from the principal quantum number is nothing but the period number. So this element is placed in the period number second. And the atomic number is 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. So 10 is the 10 atomic number. So neon contain atomic number 10. So neon is placed in the second period of the periodic table, and now we have to decide in which group it is present. From the valence shell electronic configuration, this element contain 8 valence electron, so it is placed in the 18th group of the periodic table, as it contains complete octet or complete valence shell electronic configuration, and it is placed in the 18th group of the periodic table. Now next question, what are the valence electron? As we know that valence electrons are the electrons which are present in the outermost shell of an atom of an element. For S block and P block element, show that the number of valence electron is equal to its group number. We know that when we study the electronic configuration of groups, electronic configuration across the groups, we know that, or we studied some general electronic configuration of the elements. For the and the question is, for the S block and P block element, show that number of valence electron is equal to its group number. For that we have to consider the example. Suppose we consider the hydrogen atom, that is hydrogen having electronic configuration 1s1, as the 1s1, as the valence shell contain only one electron, the element is placed in the first group, and first group is included in the S block. Also, when we consider the electronic configuration of sodium atom, sodium, its electronic configuration is sodium having atomic number 11, and electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s1. Last or valence shell electronic configuration is 3s1. So, as 3s1 valence shell contain one electron, so it is placed in the group number first, and first group is included in the S block. Now P block. For the P block, we consider the electronic configuration of 18th group. From the 18th group, we consider the electronic configuration of neon. Neon having atomic number 10. Neon having atomic number, and we know that the blocks are modern periodic table is divided into blocks on the basis of the last shell or last electron enters in which subshell. When the last electron enters in the S subshell, the electron is present in the S block, and when the last electron enters in P block, the element is placed in the P block. Now we consider the example of an hydrogen atom and the sodium atom. Both the contain their valence. Hydrogen is the exception case, but when we consider the electronic hydrogen and sodium, we consider the electronic configuration of hydrogen and sodium, and both the contain their valence shell electron in the S subshell, so they are divided, so they are present in the S block. And for the P block, when we consider the electronic configuration of neon, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. As the last electron present in the P block, it is last electron is present in the P subshell, this element is present in the P block. So S block and P block elements show that number of valence electron is equal to its group number, and also the valence shell electron also decides its group number. Like sodium atom contain last or valence shell electron 1, so it is present in the first group, and first group is included in the S block. And inert gas, that is neon contain group number 18, so and 18 is plus 18 group is present in the P block. So students, today we consider the some examples from the exercise which we have covered in our video lectures.